What if I told you a mid-range Samsung phone is about to embarrass the Galaxy S26? Yeah, you heard that right. Think Samsung saves all the best features for its flagship phones? Think again. The Galaxy A57 5G is already creating serious hype before launch, and it might actually beat the upcoming Galaxy S26 in some shocking ways. The Galaxy A57 has appeared in multiple certifications like Bluetooth SIG, 3C, and other global listings. In China, it's listed as SMA 5760, while global markets will get models like SMA 576BDS. These certifications confirm some big details: 45-watt fast charging, NFC support, Android 16, and Samsung's latest One UI 8.5 software right out of the box. Now, here's where it gets crazy. The Galaxy A57 supports 45-watt wired fast charging with 10-volt 4.5 at and 15 volts 3-aught support. And guess what? The Galaxy S26 is rumored to stick with just 25 watts charging. That means the mid-range A57 could charge significantly faster than the flagship. That's not something you see every year. Leaks also reveal a 6.6-inch FHD Plus OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, a big 5,000 mAh battery, up to 12 GB RAM, and a new Exynos 1680 chipset. On paper, this looks like a serious performance machine for a mid-range device. Samsung hasn't officially announced the launch date yet, but based on previous A5X launches and certification timing, we can expect it around March 2026. Now let's compare it directly with the Galaxy S26. The Galaxy A57 is expected to cost around $499, and it comes with a 6.6-inch FHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED display, which is actually bigger than the S26's 6.3-inch screen. Both phones reportedly use the same 50-megapixel 1.56-inch main camera sensor, meaning camera quality could be very similar. And here's another surprise. The A57 is just 6.9mm thin, making it slimmer than the S26 at 7.2mm. So let's recap. Bigger display than the S26, same 50-megapixel main camera sensor. Faster 45-watt charging versus 25 watts on S26. Slimmer design. $300 cheaper. That's wild. Normally, the flagship dominates every category, but this time the mid-range Galaxy A57 might actually steal the spotlight. Now the big question is, would you still pay $799 for the S26 when the A57 gives you almost everything, and in some areas, even more, for $499? Let me know in the comments which one you'd choose. And if you love staying ahead with Samsung leaks, One UI updates, and hidden features, make sure you subscribe right now and turn on notifications, because I break all the biggest Galaxy news before anyone else. Trust me, 2026 is about to get very interesting for Samsung fans.